Hi guys, how you doing? Bitcoin conference is about to kick off. Trump is about to speak. And Bitcoin is sitting at 1.46% in green on the daily time frame. So if you go over here and look at the daily time frame, we are 1.46%, but we already had a breakout. And you can see that nicely on the 4-hourly time frame. You'll see the line right over here, where we actually broke towards upside over here. It's a small time frame, but it just might be, what we need to break the all-time high. Now, I am super bullish, been bullish for a long time, you know me. And we are about to break up big time. Now, will this happen while Trump is talking, after Trump is talking? When will we have this big move towards upside? I don't know, but I think it's gonna happen soon. And I even wrote down in Telegram that, very, very soon. I don't think it's gonna be this week because this week is ending in 2 days, but maybe next week, early next week, maybe even right now, I don't know. But very soon there will be a breakout above 72K, and that is when all hell breaks loose. I mean, not all hell, all, moon and sunshine and rainbow break loose. Now, let me show you over here what we have so far on the chart. So if you go to the weekly time frame, first we're gonna start about over here on the CME chart. CME chart, there is a very, very nice important line up here at the top, and I'm going to draw it again. So it goes something over here, like this over here. And you'll see that we are not actually above that line, but the line technically touches these wicks over here as well. But regardless how you draw it, it did not break just yet. This is CME futures. They did not break just yet. But if you go over here, you'll see that we are actually above the line. So the line goes over here, and if you drop, I mean, technically we are kind of, trying to break the line, but I think this line goes a little bit more down because there is very nice touches over here on the line, and we are technically breaking the line. This is a very special line, very important line that needs to be broken. And right now, if you look at it, for example, on the 4-hour time frame, we actually broke that. And you'll see nicely over here how we had a big move towards upside, slow climb to the line, didn't break, and then just exploded towards upside. So the move right now that we've been having over here, this was actually a red candle 10 minutes ago. The move that we are having over right now is just continuation, but the breakout already kind of happened. I haven't looked at the volume up here. The volume was actually pretty decent on the breakout over here. There was also this one over here that tried to break out, but it looks very, very strongly bullish right now, and we are very, very close to that momentum move. You'll see also here on the daily time frame that we are right now breaking. Now there are a couple levels over here where we extended over here towards upside. I don't think the line goes all the way up here. Like this towards upside over here, and I want to draw it like this because this consolidation part over here started when we started doing this move over here towards downside. So these moves created the trend line. This is just another line up here around 71, 72K, but this line over here is very, very important line. Right now you're seeing that we are technically breaking that. Now let's go a little bit back. I'm going to show you another channel up here. So these are the two channels that are made of the line. And right now we are breaking this channel towards upside. For a long time we've been channeling over here sideways, and we said that not this one, what am I clicking? I'm sorry about that. We said that the consolidation is already over, right? So when this start consolidating up here, there was a break in the trend on the volume. You'll see how it started breaking the trend to volume. But as soon as this over here happened, even though we went towards downside, the consolidation part of the trend was actually done. So we are done with the consolidation. Right now we are, try to go down, fail that, right back up to the top. Right now this is, the way I see it, probability towards upside is like 99.9%. Right now the question is how, when it's going to start, will we have a move down? Now we already did have a move down. If you look at a weekly time frame, look at this week towards downside. We had a big week towards downside over here, got everybody scared again, it's just going to get rejected and go down again. That did not happen, pulled right back up there again. Right now we are actually breaking that move towards upside over here. Now there is another channel that's important, it's on small time frames. So this over here is the big channel. As you see, the big channel is technically breaking out over here, which is actually very, very nice. Now the other channel is this smaller channel over here. I've been trying to draw it a little bit differently and stuff like that, but I think we are pretty much where it should be. Maybe it should go a little bit higher over here. Something like this to pick up these bottoms down here and these tops over here. Maybe this is the correct channel. On the other hand, if you pull down here and these tops over here, all the way down here, then these tops over here confirm that that midline. Regardless, over here we are still right now channeling over here towards upside, and we are waiting for a break towards upside. So this break towards upside is gonna send it to the moon, right? On the other hand, if it drops down over here, which I don't think it's gonna do that, and this should pull back towards upside again. But but we already kind of, you know, went sideways up here, broke down, right back inside the channel, slowly, you know, consolidating up here. Right now breaking towards upside. Right now we are looking for this big breakout towards upside. But before that happens, there is one move that's gonna tell us that's happening, and that one move is on a very, very small time frame. So that one move is right over here. And why is that very important? I'm going to show you here on the small time frames. So this is an impulsive move towards upside. This exhaustion pattern that's not breaking down, and you can see up here it's trying to break up here again. It has down broken, but as soon as this starts breaking towards upside over here, you know, the channel goes something like this over here, I think, give or take, maybe all the way up here towards tops. Let's pick up everything just so we are sure. There we go. As soon as this channel over here starts breaking towards upside, because these channels oftentimes, you know, these channels oftentimes break towards downside because they are bearish channels, but it is small time frame, and as soon as we see this 1 hourly channel break towards upside, I think we are going to go above 72k very, very fast. And the reason for that is very simple. This, you know, we are already mega bullish. I mean, there is nothing left. Everybody is, you know, endorsing Bitcoin. Everybody is you know, talking about Bitcoin, you know, institutions are adopting Bitcoin. Like there is nothing left, right? It's just bullishness. Mount Gox is done. ETFs are here. Solana ETFs are maybe coming, right? I mean, there is nothing in the way right now for us to not be bullish. We gone through the consolidation phase, the big one, the 3-4 months consolidation phase. We tried to push the Bitcoin down. It went down to 53k, bounced immediately to 69k right now. And right now, it is going to break this channel towards upside. And when that happens, that is going to be the start of the big move that's going to break the bigger channel over here. This small move over here on the 1 hourly time frame is going to be the one that breaks, where is the channel over here? This bigger channel up here, give or take, over here towards upside over here. And when that happens as well, it's just going to go. It's pretty much over. Once that happens, it's pretty much over. 72k is up here. There are a couple of more resistance level, major resistance level that needs to be broken. So if you look at a weekly time frame, there are technically over here 3 resistance level, major resistance level that needs to be broken on the weekly time frame. But these levels are going to be broken the way I see it really, really quickly. Maybe in just one go, and all of 3 levels are going to be broken. So when is this going to start? I think very soon. I think, you know, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. My take is next week sometimes, you know, we are probably going to be around, you know, 71.5 up here towards upside. And once even that is happening, like once we have this weekly candle, confirmation on the weekly candle, close above these highs up here at 74.4, that is going to look exceptionally well for Bitcoin. So on the monthly time frame up here as well, you see this 71.2, 71.3 level up here, very, very important. But even the monthly time frame up here, like it you know, we consolidated up here in the box, and right now we are looking for this, the next big move towards upside. Guys, it's happening. It's very, very close. Pay attention. Don't be one of those guys that are looking, you know, at bad news when everything is sunshine and rainbows. You know, we've been waiting for too long for this, and you know, it's about to start. Very close. I don't see any way how we can, you know, consolidate for another 3 months. But and another thing, right now it's 27th of July, and we got something like 4 days left. Next Thursday is the 1st of August. So my take is also that maybe, just maybe, you know, 1st of August, the big moves are going to start happening. And once that happens, I don't know if you've been following my channel, but I'm giving it, and once altcoins start moving, I'm giving it like, you know, 2-3 months at the tops, and it's pretty much over. So if it starts in August, it's going to be over before 2025, I think. I don't want to be a bear, but you know, we'll see. Anyways, guys, good times. I had just a quick update on what's happening in Bitcoin and the conference. I don't know, I do remember from 2019, this Bitcoin conference, 2018, 19 or something like that, they were always bearish, because every time, you know, you got a Bitcoin conference, price just falls down. This might be, you know, one of these times that that Bitcoin conference actually pumps the price. And you see what's happening. Like every you know, nation is talking about Bitcoin being, you know, on their sheets, and everybody's endorsing Bitcoin. It is happening. Big moves. Bye bye.